So today I am going to review about Lakme 9 to 5 CC cream complexion care, and the shade which I am having is honey. So this is how the packaging looks like. I mean, it's look quite cool and pinky and it's quite girlish, so I really like it. But apart from that, I would like to talk something about it. So let's move ahead. Actually, this cream is my favorite. It's my all-time favorite, and I'm just using it from past 1 year. Like past 1 year, not more than that. It's also half empty, but the package, I just kept it because I thought I would review it after using it, but it just got so much time and I just got so much carried away by the time that I just didn't get the time. So let me show you how does it look from inside. So guys, you can see the packaging. It's really appealing, it's nice, it's cool, and it's really, you can see the pinky cap. A little pink and a little silver in color. Wow. Packaging is great, pack is great, but let's talk about the quantity inside. So it's about 30 gram and it costs rupees 335. But not let's mistaken, because you can just probably get it about rupees 250 or about rupees 300 from Flipkart or Amazon. So I will just put the link down in the description so you can just simply purchase it. And apart from that, let's talk about this moisturizer come, CC cream come, and like everything come. It's just all mixed up in one thing. And first of all, let's talk about the SPF 30. So SPF 30, what does it do? It protects us against the UVA rays of sunlight. Yes, you heard me right. Okay? But it's only, it allows only 3% of UVA rays to penetrate in the skin after applying this. Okay? But if we talk about SPF 50, so it allows only 2% of UVA sun rays to penetrate on the skin after applying the UVA creams of SPF 50. So you just gotta try it. So moving ahead, let's talk about the PA++. Okay, so it does not provide you PA+++, but yes, it does provide you PA++. I mean, that's great, but that's not excellent, but that's great. So these two things, I can just simply tell you about these things, that this cream is really good for the cloudy weather or for the normal weather, but this is not good for way too much humid and hot weather. So better not to apply it because it will melt down from the skin. As well as if I can talk about the cream consistency and its applications and everything else about it. So let's get started. If you are just purchasing it, then you must know what does it claim and what does it really provides. So first I would like to tell you that इसमें क्या क्या claim दिए गए हैं. First है protection, moisturize, refreshes, conceal, even skin tone and brightens. So let me tell you, I have used it and I'm going to give you a very real review about it. So there will be no diplomacy and no chaploosi or anything of the cream and the company. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्रोटेक्शन की बात करें तो एक मीडियम प्रोटेक्शन देता है. मॉइस्चराइजेशन की बात करें तो या इट डज प्रोवाइड मॉइस्चराइजेशन, बट नॉट फॉर द ड्राई स्किन, नॉट एट ऑल. मतलब प्रोवाइड करेगा पर ड्राई स्किन के लिए उतना अच्छा नहीं है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, रिफ्रेशमेंट की फील की बात करें तो फ्रेगनेंस इसका बहुत ही लकमे टाइप का है, तो इसमें कोई आपको रिफ्रेशमेंट वाला फैक्टर नहीं मिलने वाला. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द कंसीलिंग पावर. तो इसका कंसील इतना अच्छा नहीं है यार. एक सीसी क्रीम है, ये कितना पालोगे यार, कितना पालोगे. मतलब एक सीसी क्रीम है, इस पर आप बिल्कुल भी कंसीलिंग तो आप मतलब सोचो मत कि कंसील आपको मिलने वाला है, बट हाँ ये अच्छा खासा आपको प्रोवाइड कर देगा. और इवन स्किन टोन की बात करें तो करता है, पर बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं. अगर डीप पिगमेंटेशन है और हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन है, देन ऑब्वियसली नो, इट्स जस्ट नॉट गोइंग थ्रू द वर्क. ओके, एंड ब्राइटन्स, सो यस इट डज ब्राइटन्स, बट आफ्टर सम पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इट जस्ट ऑक्सीडाइजेस. Yes, and that happens with most of the Lakme products. It happens. But apart from that, it's a good cream if you're just purchasing it, if you're a beginner, or if you just want to go somewhere near, not for long period. So it will give you a good look for about 2 to 3 hours. But after that, I would say probably 4 hours. If you extend it way too much, or probably use it with powder or something, use powder, then it will last for like 4 hours. But after that, it will start decreasing, as what happens. अब इसकी बात करते हैं कितने शेड में आता है. तो ये 4 शेड में आता है. सबसे पहला होता है आपका बेज जो होता है वो एकदम व्हाइटिश स्किन टोन के लिए होता है. दूसरा हमारे पास होता है हनी जो होता है वो थोड़ा सा ब्रिटिश स्किन टोन के लिए होता है. और उसके बाद आता है आपका ब्रॉन्ज जो कि डस्की स्किन के लिए होता है, और एलमेंट अल्ट्रा डस्की. एज दे से आई एम नॉट जस्ट सेइंग इट, बट एज पर माई थिंकिंग आई थिंक इट्स नॉट रियली स्टैंड फॉर द इंडियन स्किन टोन. इट्स गुड फॉर द फेयर स्किन टोन और इवन फॉर द ब्रिटिश स्किन टोन. But let's talk about the dusky, then it doesn't provide the shade. I just want to say it doesn't provide the shade. Even the element is dusky, it's for for the dark skin, but the problem is that undertone is quite orangey and pinky, so it really doesn't provide you the yellowish glow for the dusky skin. It just looks like some I would say some cast if the person is too dusky, and yes, it does provide a cast if the person is too dusky, but if the person is like medium dusky and it's a fair tone, then it's a good cream to purchase. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बुराइयाँ कर दी एंड आई एम सॉरी, बट मैं इसको यूज़ कर रही हूँ, सो देयर मस्ट बी समथिंग दैट आई एम यूजिंग इट, यू नो. Okay, so it's good for the combination and the oily skin, but it will dry out if you will apply it on the ultra dry skin. So you have to really moisturize it well, means your skin, not the cream. So you can probably apply it if you are a dry skin person, but it will be a good thing for the oily skin person. But I will again say it won't last long, as it's a CC cream along with the foundation element, as well as the sunscreen and the moisturization. So it's a pack up of 3 things, but you will have to use it in that way only, because you're getting like 3 products in one and it will cost you about 300. So there will be some loopholes. और अगर वाइट कास्ट की बात करें तो हाँ, ये वाइट कास्ट नहीं प्रोवाइड करता है. मेरे स्किन पे तो नहीं किया, एंड आई हैव सीन माई फ्रेंड्स यूजिंग इट एंड इट रियली डजंट प्रोवाइड वाइट कास्ट. सो दैट इज द प्लस पॉइंट. बट हाँ, बहुत अल्ट्रा डस्टी स्किन होगा तो फिर वाइट कास्ट ज़रूर लगेगा. इट विल नॉट प्रोवाइड, बट या इट विल लुक लाइक द वाइट कास्ट हैज बीन क्रिएटेड, लाइक बूम. एंड नाउ लेट्स अप्लाई. और मैं अपने स्किन पे अप्लाई करके आपको दिखाऊंगी कि कैसा लगता है. तो अभी मैंने फेस पैक लगाया था मुल्तानी मिट्टी नॉर्मल, और इसीलिए अभी मेरे फेस पे कुछ भी नहीं है. थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चराइजर, थोड़ा सा, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट अभी कुछ भी नहीं है फेस पे. तो अभी मैं ये अप्लाई करके आपको दिखाऊंगी ताकि एक अच्छा खासा आपको रिव्यू मिल सके. एंड आफ्टर 4 hours आई विल शो यू दैट हाउ डज इट रियली लुक्स लाइक, सो दैट यू कैन डेफिनेटली सी दैट व्हाट आर द लूपहोल्स एंड व्हाट आर द पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स. So I just took it. And firstly, I am going to apply on my skin with my, on this side I will be, using it with my hand, and on this side I will be using it or applying it with the sponge, and applying it in a very small quantity. And apart from that, it's really good. So hope you can see this. And I think I should just apply some lipstick, eyeshadow and powder, a little loose powder, so that I can just make this look this look a little last longer. Liquid lipstick. And just pardon me if I don't apply it nicely. हाँ, ये थोड़ा सही लग रहा है. ठीक है, अच्छा ही लग रहा है. Hope you can see the look. Oh, I'm sorry, I just have to remove the powder in order to complete the look. हाँ, अब सही है. So it's 10 o'clock and after 4 hours. Hope you can see this. The pores are out, as well as there is oiliness around my nose. Guys, like, share and subscribe.